But first, Liz Snyder and Jim Hotelling are at Hillside Garden Landscaping, where they're sharing some more home gardening tips with us.
Over our next few segments, we're going to be featuring a backyard renovation that we've been doing in phases, and we actually began this project last fall.
Yes, actually last summer I worked with the customer doing the design aspects of it. And in the fall we actually did the walkway from the driveway all the way down to the patio that we put in the back here.
Mm-hmm. As you enter the space, you come down a set of steps to a nice long walkway that leads you to the back. So what were some of the challenges that we...
Well, as you can see in the before part of it, this was just a little flagstone walkway, and as you come around to where the patio was, we had some grade issues.
Sure.
We had some places where we had to take it down, 10, 12 inches, and then we actually had to put a step in another area so that we could make the whole area essentially level. And we also had to rebuild the steps. The steps, as you can see, were pretty bad shape, and so we rebuilt the steps, left them rough so that they wouldn't be slippery, and actually had a railing put in so that so it's that much more safe.
Nice.
So.
And I love this patio area. It's nice and spacious. It's got some groupings of chairs, but it still feels like it's very roomy.
Yeah, it's expanded the space by 2 to 3 times what was there before.
And by having the same paver on the patio as you do on the walkway, it visually leads you down into the space, which I really like. And this planting is lovely right next to the seating area.
Yes, and the customer requested a garden for bees and butterflies. And we did this with this color. We just put these in so they're new. We have phlox and Russian sage and purple coneflower and all. So, when this matures another season, this will just be filled right up with color.
And you'll have something blooming from late spring right in through to the fall.
Right through the fall, yep.
So that's very beautiful that you'll be able to see that right from the seating area. So I hope you've enjoyed phase 1 of our landscape renovation. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.